The centre has informed that under PMAY Awas Yojana, urban projects worth over 1.19 lakh crore rupees have been sanctioned in the country, and out of 878 houses have been completed. Replying to a question in the Lok Sabha, Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said centre is providing assistance to state for the construction of houses for all eligible families and beneficiaries in urban areas, including slum dwellers, based on the project proposals submitted by them. He said that 1.09 crore houses have been constructed under PMAYU so far. Minister further added that in the last 3 years, assistance of 85,066 crore rupees have been allocated to as the centre assistant to the state and union territory in the country. Chief Minister Conrad